Hi, Taaisha.
Hi, I'm really excited today.
I can see that.
I'm so happy.
You happy little girl. So, what's the topic today of your YouTube video?
Yummy ice cream. Yummy,
Wait, you excited creature. We didn't hear you clearly. You are going to talk about?
Ice cream.
Did I just hear ice cream?
Yes.
I can see some cones and stuff there too. Okay, bring it on. We ready?
What is this? I think it's pen.
It's a pen. Okay, let me focus a bit there. Oh wow, it's a cone shaped, ice cream shaped.
It's so funny. Like there are scoops of ice cream and I've seen that in like Thai movies.
You're gonna be using a lot of this pen to write things, I guess now.
Yes.
What else have you got?
I think it's like
It's a cone. Oh, I think it comes off too. Whoa! Magic.
That's really funny, Dad.
It is.
Can do it anytime, anywhere. Actually, I got one big one like this one.
Yes, I think I've seen this toy before.
Yeah, I got a big one like this.
Oh!
There is small one than this
So
one.
it just pops up.
Brother.
Oh yes, your little brother can use this one. What else have you got?
Actually, the big one can be used for. And look at that.
This is so cool. That's a candy fan, huh? So next time when you feel hot, you're gonna use that. And that's another cone. Is that another pen?
Yep.
Or it's a pencil this time?
And you can put a magnet. It's like a magnet over here. And then that's pen. Actually, my friend also had a pen in the birthday party which I bought all this from. And it was so cool that she could write something.
Oh.
And the whole thing was the ice cream of my friend, and it was so disaster because all of ice cream. It was just such a disaster by making whipping ice cream and I made berry and coffee ice cream.
It was a disaster, huh? So you got two pens, one candy fan, a pop-up cone play toy, and now what have we got?
Some numbers. They're not open because otherwise they can eat anything.
Two more. Show me one of them. No, you can keep one. Oh, there is something inside.
Bubble.
If you open the sellotape, oh, it's that bubble liquid, huh?
Yeah, there was green color and black color and pink color. So I got pink in twice and return.
Okay, come on, show me more stuff.
And that's so cool, like ice cream eraser.
Oh, it's so cute, an ice cream eraser. Wow, can I have a look?
Actually, everything got pink color.
Excellent. Cool. And we've got two more things, huh? The big ones now. So that's a sippy cup?
How much is the big after? Yes.
Wow, so you're gonna have your
Gotta
have your milkshakes and your juices and all of that in it.
Choose milkshake on if it's strawberry.
Strawberry.
Mr. How you like mango?
You don't like mango? Oh, come on, it's delicious.
Yes, but
I love mango. In fact, the season right now is of mango. We should have lots of mangoes and mango. So it's empty right now, I understand. But that's like a nice big one. If you have,
like every, I made an ice cream.
if you fill this up with some juice or milkshake and you have it.
Everyone they are so silly because they think that I'm eating ice cream, but they didn't get ice cream.
Okay.
They're so silly. They don't even realize.
Okay, so straw goes in there and you sip it up. Superb. And show me that last thing.
We are that's so excited. I want to eat.
Whoa.
So difficult to open. And the noise is making it more polluted.
Plastic makes more pollution, you are right.
But
You'll see way less of plastic now. I think it's banned. You need some help opening it or you'll do it. Okay, you've done it. You managed to open it.
oops. How do I remove it?
Whoa.
Can't put anywhere.
Oh, so you can make like jello shots, make lots of ice cream and kulfis.
No, this one is only for kulfi.
Only for kulfi.
Because you know, in the burger pie we made ice cream and it told only like these things in the other mode, which was the normal steel mode.
Cool. So we have come to an end of your YouTube video because you've showed us a great lot of things to do with ice creams and kulfi. These were all really cool stuff.
It's not the end.
Okay, you gotta say something towards the end.
No, not say. Do something, bro.
What is that?
Why not to open this and see?
No, it's gonna be that liquid which may fall off and dirty your bed.
We can read what's written on the scroll and we can read it. And I can.
Why are you hiding behind the curtain?
That's cute. Small girls are fan. And I forgot to tell you, this fan can work if your fan is spoiled or if your light has gone and TV cannot work, fan cannot work, and AC cannot work.
Yes, so in that case you're gonna use this and you're gonna still feel very cool.
Yep.
Yes, Taaisha.
And this can be used just like for
Just to play, yes, like a magic show to play.
we have to add a school like that or in classes.
Okay, we got that.
For one side. And this can be used like if it's our exam.
Yes.
And this is like just a eraser. We can use it for a Barbie because I don't want smaller.
Mm-hmm.
And this can be used anywhere if we go out to the garden.
Correct. Alrighty.
I forgot to pack this, but like
Now it's spoiled, that plastic. You can't repack it. We'll give that most of the things. We'll give it back for a wash, so that you can use it. It's okay. It's okay. Leave that.
that.
Okay, you're putting it small things. Cool. Okay, your friends, your fans,
But
all want to say bye to you.
I can't forget that I'm gonna show you a magic out of ice cream. So imagine that you have an ice cream in your hand
Okay.
and just eat it all up and tell your parents to close your eyes.
So by that,
That-
so by by the
that
time
would be like a joke.
by the time they open their eyes, the ice cream will be over, and you naughty kids are going to say that magic. Where did the ice cream go? I know where it went. It went here in the tummy.
I had idea. Yeah, tell. When I tell stop, open your eyes and look at my trick. Like in Peppa Pig, I saw that Pedro was a magician and he closed your eyes and I have water glass. I'll magic it into a pond and he drank all of it. That's funny.
Okay, a quick bye to your fans.
And subscribe and my brother's name and my name will be subscribe.
Okay, thank you, Taaisha. Bye bye.
Bye.